Tech Restore.
Before you begin, make sure that your device is powered off. Use your 5-point pentalobe screwdriver to remove the two screws located at the bottom of the iPhone securing the front display panel. Use one hand to firmly secure the iPhone. With the other hand, attach the suction cup near the bottom of the screen and lift with steady, constant force to open the screen. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the 5 screws that secure the display connector shield and set them aside. Then remove the shield and set it aside. Use the flat end of your spudger to disconnect the digitizer cable, the LCD display cable, the front camera cable, and the home button cable. Use the flat end of your black plastic spudger to gently pry up on the connector and not the socket. Remove the front display panel. Use the flat end of your spudger to gently pry up on the rear camera connector and disconnect it. Remove the 2 screws that secure the bracket that holds the camera in place. Set the screws aside. Use your tweezers to remove the camera bracket. Use your spudger to move the rear camera out of its groove. It's secured by a little bit of adhesive, but should come up relatively easily. Use your tweezers to remove the old camera. Set the new rear camera in place and connect it to the socket in the logic board using your finger to gently snap it into place. Place the rear camera bracket on top of the camera and replace the 2 screws that you removed earlier. Place your iPhone screen next to the back case so that you can connect the display cables. Connect each cable one by one, using your finger to press the connectors in the socket. Place the display cable connector shield in place over the connectors. Screw in the 5 screws you removed earlier. The longest screw fits into the top right hole. Get ready to close the phone. Start with the top of the screen. Make sure that the top of the screen fits into its recess in the back case. Gently push in the edges of the screen, working your way from the top to bottom until the screen fits snugly in the back case. Replace the 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone. Power your phone on. If the phone doesn't seem to be displaying anything on screen, hold the home button and power button until you see the Apple logo to reset the phone. Once on, check that everything functions properly.